So many people are feeling totally overwhelmed by all the conflicting advice out there, and they just want real answers to get their health back on track for good. Hey there, I am Elaine Winsack. If you're feeling frustrated with your health, whether you need help figuring out what to eat, what food is good for you, what foods you're reacting to, why is my metabolism so slow, what do I need to do to speed it up for good, what vitamins and herbs do I need? There's so many bottles all over the place, I don't know what I need. Remember, everyone's different. What's right for me may not be right for you. It is so easy to get lost in the sea of so many options. One day it's cut carbs, the next day it's cut fat, the next day it's eat keto, the next day it's no fat. What am I supposed to eat? How do you know what's right for your body? That's where I come in. As a holistic nutritionist, I do not believe in the one-size-fits-all model. In holistic nutrition, I focus on what's happening inside your body. We're not just treating symptoms or putting a Band-Aid on a problem or throwing random vitamins and herbals at a problem and crossing our fingers that it makes a difference. What I do is uncover the problem, the root cause of your symptoms. I will figure out what's going on. Is your metabolism slow and leaving you feeling drained? No matter how healthy you eat? Are you constantly feeling tired, bloating, or stuck with that weight around the midsection or anywhere else and it just won't budge? There's signals from your body that something's off. Let's talk about food. What you eat can either fuel your body or slow it down. But here's the kicker. What works for one person may not work for somebody else. For example, some people thrive on protein. Others can't break it down. Other people may thrive on nuts and seeds and avocado and good fat. For other people, it gets stuck in our thighs. Maybe gluten is wrecking your energy. Maybe dairy is causing skin eruptions or that weight around your belly area. I will figure out exactly what foods are right for you, your metabolism, your energy, your focus, so you can have healthy hair and a fast metabolism. Remember this, you are unique with your own metabolic needs. Your body knows best. Then there's a whole other world of vitamins and supplements and herbs. Vitamins aren't magic pills. And if you're not taking the ones that are right for you, you're taking the wrong ones. Now let's talk about your metabolism. Yes, your metabolism, that mysterious engine in your body that's responsible for weight loss, weight gain, energy, and overall health. It really can be a tricky beast. If your metabolism is broken, it's like trying to drive a car with no gas. I will use comprehensive metabolic testing, and we will fine-tune your body's engine, metabolism, to get it running smoothly and faster for you. The bottom line, my friends, your health is personal. It's about you, nobody else but you. You deserve a personalized approach. I work with you to build a program that isn't based on the latest trends or fads, but on what your body really needs to thrive. Ready to get started? Great. Let's make your health journey successful. Go to my website, nutritionallyyours.net. Book an appointment today. I work in person and virtually out of Atlanta, Georgia. I can't wait to meet you and help you.